What do you think are your strengths as a painter?
Being honest with myself, I just do what I can do. I don't go beyond what I can do. Meaning, people, yung iba dyan, they make yung mga mahirap, no? Kesyo, meron daw social significance yan. I mean, I can't do it, eh. Why should I force myself, no? Actually, wala akong formal training, eh.
So, hindi kayo pumasok ng art school?
No, I went to art school after liberation, no? I studied not I didn't even finish my my one semester sa UP. Sa UP nandiyan pa sa TAF eh. Nagkaroon na ng opening sa sa Chronicle, pumasok na ako.
Tinigil nyo na?
Tinigil na, wala pa. I don't even know kung anong grades ko lahat eh. Kaya sabi nga na Turo, before I left for Honolulu, sabi niya mag-retrospect daw ako, mag-retrospective daw ako sa MOPA. Sabi ko masyado pa akong bago eh.
Para
sabi niya, bakit? So nirecall ko sa kanya, no? I started painting 67. No, that was my first one-man show sa Luz Gallery. I had a small one-man show sa PAG, yung mga miniature lang.
Anong year ka?
63, mga miniature lamang yan eh.
Barong-barong.
Mga parang-barong, mga tinta, it's no bigger than mga bond paper eh.
Nasa Chronicle kayo noon?
Nasa Chronicle ako noon. I used to do it in the Chronicle. Kanya pa may tinta yan.
I see.
Mostly India ink, mga colored India ink.
Pero anong role ninyo sa Chronicle noon?
As a designer. I used to lay out the magazine.
I see.
With Johnny Gatpunto. Yeah, si Johnny Gatpunto.
Yung ano mga first parang subject matter ninyo?
Yan ang mga barong-barong na.
Ba't mo kayo nahilig sa barong-barong?
Wala, sabi siguro yung form eh. I mean, kahit na sino sa amin, hindi makagawa ng barong-barong na kundi walang reference eh. I'm not kidding, ha?
Kung kailangan
may reference eh. Unusual yung kanilang yung pagkagawa eh. I take photographs.
Tapos
I take photographs and I do sketches. Kanya, all my early paintings are based on either photographs or sketches.
I see. But there came a time when, imagine, parang freewheeling na lang.
I mean, ngayon, But, pero from time to time, I used to go back to my references eh. Mahirap gawin yung barong-barong. Pag titingnan mo, mas madali pa yung mga ganyan eh. May poste ka, apat na poste, may bubong, etc.
Modern houses.
Pati barong-barong hindi eh. Mataming nakapasok na, it's too intricate, no?
Di ba ang paggawa ng barong-barong, in a way, it's parang gumagawa ka ng abstract sculpture eh.
Exactly, that's it. Oo.
I mean, patong-patong.
Oo. At siya sabi nila, bakit daw masaya yung barong-barong ko, no? Walang magagawa ko, Yun ang feeling ko, eh. Siguro, sabi nila siguro, hindi ako naghirap, hindi ako nagluto.
Asan yung saya doon? Bakit, ano yung element ng saya?
Hong Kong, that's how they look at it,
It's not in the colors.
It's not in the color even, eh.
Maybe it's because in the stylization.
Pwede.
No?
Pwede.
Because when you stylize something, you become one removed from reality eh.
Yeah, that's it. Pwede.
Parang kung hyperrealism yan, magiging...
Kita mo, no?
Oo. Always start with a small sketch, ganyan?
Yeah, more or less. But I do sketches per se, no? Tapos pag magustuhan ko, I transfer them to a tempera. From a tempera, then transfer it to oil.
I see.
Manyari sa oil, ibang estilo dito eh. Unlike yung tempera, pag tutuyo ka agad eh. Ang style ko kasi, nag-overlap ako eh. Patong-patong eh. Sa oil, hindi pwedeng pag wet pa, papasukan mo, magiging muddy. That's the secret of my I don't know whether you call it the secret.
So hindi pala totoo yung accusation sa inyo na marunong lang kayo sa maliit na canvas.
I mean, I don't mind. No,
No, but which do you...
No, like for example, like a writer, no? Siyempre gusto mo gumawa rin nobela, di ba?
Oo.
It's a challenge sa ego mo na yan eh.
Oo.
More than anything else, no?
Mm.
As a matter of fact, right now, what I'm doing are the small ones, no?
Mm.
As I was telling you, nagsiship ako sa ganyan eh. Malaki, maliit eh.
Mm.
Kahit na walang buyer yung lintik na yan, ha?
Oo.
Walang buyer yan eh.
But yung when you say walang buyer, ibig sabihin you don't do anything until puro commission ang hinihintay.
No, precisely. On the contrary, I don't do any commission, no? I mean, there are some commission job, no?
Mm.
Pero yung mga ganito, which is not commission, usually doesn't sell eh. It doesn't sell in the sense na wala silang lugar. Minsan naman, alam ng mga opisina, why should they spend good money just for art except with the exception of Orosa, sila George T. na yan, Soriano, once in a while.
Yung when you were starting, who were the early buyers of your?
Isabel, mostly dyan sa American Embassy. Mrs. Marcos at the time, nung Senate President pa lang si Presidente.
Did you have problems with the sales in your instance?
Wala. Pag nag-exhibit ako, pimbing sold out to me.
Anong reason kaya doon?
Siguro masayang kulay. I mean, I won't consider myself as a thinking painter, no? I mean, let's put it this way, no? I'm just honest with what I'm doing, like Ocampo, no? Tapos yung iba naman dyan, gusto nila, meron kang sinasabi as a painter. There are only one Ocampo, my God. There's only one Cezanne, no? Who doesn't want to be Cezanne or an Ocampo? Pero I mean, honestly, I'm just doing what I can do. Kung ano lang kaya ko. I don't go beyond.
Sino mga influences ninyo?
Yan, sila Botong. I never liked the Monsolo.
I see.
Botong, Malansala, Legaspi, Magsayseho, Luz. Yan sa mga local, no?
Sa foreign artists?
Foreign sila Picasso,
Forkli, no?
Sikli. Yan, Sikli. Yan, which is very evident, no?
So you have not taken, for instance, a Forkli drawing and then you make your own
Wala.
version of
I only take a portion of clay, a portion of Picasso, probably a color of Picasso or a form, no? Tapos ako nang bahala sa akin.
Pero you don't get any kind of parang guilty feeling na you're not being true to yourself or baka kayo maging hodgepodge lang ng other people's style?
Hindi naman. Sabi nga ni Picasso, Lentik, pwede ka nang kumopya sa iba, busog bulok kopya yung sarili mo eh. I think he's right, no?
How about Chagall?
I mean, Chagall, as far as color of Chagall, yan ang ano ko. But not his figures.
I see.
Yung mga bulaklak niya, yan, kulay. Chagall naman is color, no? I think,
yeah.
Unlike Picasso, talaga sa forma, no?
Yung mga landscapes ninyo, I mean, do you take photograph tapos na binibase niyo yung
Yeah, I take photographs at the same time I do sketches.
sketches? So don't you feel bothered by having to depend on a photograph?
Nag-adlib naman ako eh. I don't copy it per se, no? May mga forms lang kinukopy ko dyan. Sa matabak, if you'll notice, mga kulay ko pag landscape eh, may mga violet na dyan, may mga pula na.
I see.
Walang ano yan. Yung forma lang kinukuha ko.
I see.
Ano na yan eh, instinct na eh. As I told you, wala naman akong formal training sa art, no? Nasa mata na lang eh. Unlike niya po sa akin niya, pinapa-explain sa akin, I cannot explain it eh. Unlike Nanding, no? Talagang alam niya, asul dito, asul doon, ganyan eh. Kanya ako, wala akong, if you'll notice it, no? Wala akong two paintings na pareho. I cannot even repeat myself. Eh.
So when you prepare a painting, you don't have an idea of how
more or less I do, no? More or less I do. Pero as I go on, I ad-lib. Nagbabago na ako. Yung mga itim kong ganyan, those are mainly backgrounds eh. Tapos papatungan ko ng kulayan, papatungan ko ng ibang kulay. Pero may meron akong itatawag na glazing eh. May meron akong underpaint eh. Wala akong solid na kulay. I do oil. It's because I'm familiar with the forms. Being familiar with the forms is because I do a lot of drawings. Later on, pag transfer mo, kabisado mo na. Kanya I don't believe in one canvas, one subject, no? Assuming i-figure ngayon, susunod itong cassette mo, susunod itong bulaklak, ano?
Mm.
Kailangan ma-master mo siguro isang isang forma eh. Ang
Ano?
problem ko sa pagpinta, when to stop eh.
Oh, how do you know when to stop?
O wala na, you just get the feel. Unlike ng Dingo Campos, si Sir Legaspi, si Botong Francisco, iba-ibang manner of trabaho nila eh.
Mm.
They start from the bottom, pagkakit sa taas, tapos na lahat.
Uh-huh.
Unlike Manansala, Q-Cook, myself, no? Lalagyan namin ng kulay muna yan.
Uh-huh.
Pa-adlib muna kami, oh.
Uh-huh. Have you experienced yung parang nakagawa kayo ng painting parang overdone?
Yeah.
Parang lutong-luto na
Lutong-luto.
gusto nyo bawasan ng detalye?
Yeah, binabawasan ko. Binabawasan ko.
Pinapatungan ninyo?
Napatungan ko.
So meron din kayong you have an idea of when a painting is just perfect, no?
Yeah. Oo.
You don't want to touch it anymore.
Exactly. Kung nahihirapan ako, I just set us aside, no?
Oo.
Tapos ba't siya ako babalikan?
But you sign your painting, no? Together with the year?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, but when you're working on 4 canvases, iba-ibang design yan.
Yeah, iba-ibang design.
And each one of those has a specific parang base. Oo,
meron
yung
na, meron na.
parang sketch na pinagbabasihan.
Meron na, oo. But
I see.
nonetheless, I ad-lib, no? As I
see.
go on, I add and subtract.
So, you're saying na walang social significance yung ginagawa niya.
Yung iba, meron daw. That's why it's barong-barong, ano?
But for you, anong...
Wala, it's just a pleasure painting.
What if you're asked to do naman the mansions in Forbes Park? Anong feeling nyo?
What do you mean mansion?
Like sabihin sa inyo, I want you to do, the Ayala Corporation would say, I want you to do a Makati version of your Barong-Barong. But instead of the Barong-Barong, I want you to draw the houses of the Loxins and the
Yeah,
Ayala.
so long as they pay. To buy my oils and canvases, no?
Oh, I see. But do you think wala na kayong masyadong mga insecurities about the ability to paint?
I've never been insecure from the very beginning, eh.
But with the years of experience, no, in actual painting,
Yeah.
do you feel na kayo parang ang dali-dali para sa inyo?
Yeah, yan ang isa yan. That's a good one, no? Ay, pag madali na, maalis na ako, eh. Iniwanan ko na, eh. Katulad watercolor, no? I've been doing watercolor since way back, no? So 30 years ago, no? Hindi ko makuha, eh. It's only last year that I was able to really do a good watercolor.
Si Mang Enteng,
Yan ang magaling sa watercolor. Talaga dyan naman, yan ang nangyayenteng watercolor talaga. I mean, to master one medium is more than enough.
Why don't you use acrylic instead of oil?
Acrylic naman, it dries so fast, eh.
Tempera hindi madaling matuyo.
Madali matuyo. But it's hard to handle tempera. Dahil sa pag nag-overlay ako, sumasama yung underpaint.
Nasa ilalim.
Oo, sumasama. Yung iba, hindi nila makuha yan, eh. I mean, it's practice, eh.
When you said you have no formal training in art, no? What is it in you that knows when to, like how to balance elements?
Siguro it's because of my training in paper, no? I used to do a layout. Layout mo yan na di ba? Yung spaces ng texto, space ng picture mo, mga logo, where to place it, no? I've been doing it for the last almost 2 decades for the Chronicle. Not only in advertising but also in page layout, no? So that really helped me a lot.
You have traveled, of course, you're a very well-traveled person, no? I mean, in your travels, are there some paintings which struck you really?
I look at paintings na basta ito maganda ito. I like good conservative. I like good abstract. Wala akong particular na, let's say, I'm only for abstract, no? Period. Hindi eh. Open ako sa lahat eh.
How many of your children are going into painting?
Yung elder boy ko at kaya yung younger boy.
Steve is the eldest.
Yeah, tapos yung younger boy is 18, studying at Fine Arts.
What's his
UP.
name?
Schuller. Second year pa lang naman sa Fine Arts. Yun.
Would you consider yourself a prolific painter?
Pwede, yeah. Between my jobs, no? I mean, you never ask what I'm doing, no? Actually, ano ba talaga sabihin ko? We have a business which I'm also involved, no? Yung handicraft, no? I mean, meron kaming mga paupahan bahay. Sometimes we do construction. I also get involved in these things, no? I also sit down sa political mga discussion, no? Yung meron kaming advertising, which is the West Design. I'm also involved in West Design, no? But I make it a point not to do my things, no?
Mhm.
Kaya doon sa opisina ko sa Centramuros, meron din akong easel diyan. Kaya doon, what I'm doing there is mostly tempera.
For the government, I mean, as presidential art consultant, what are the activities which you were supposed to?
Like for example, yung recently we going to Honolulu, no? Yeah, we sit down, kung ano maging problema doon, let's say with mga aktivista, let's say with mga Lapis group, no?
Mm-mm.
So we're preparing mga banners, kung ano mga, preparation, pati
Para-
yung mga speeches ng presidente, yung mga press kit, no?
I see.
At saka we discuss things na on the event, magkaroon ng demonstration, what do we intend to do. Yung parang it's also it's a PR project, no? Parang campaign. You're selling something, no? Alam at pinag-aaralan nyo kung anong magiging kung saan mabibili ito, anong magiging pitfalls dito, kung anong market ninyo, di ba? Ganun din.
Sa painting, have you had the experience na maski na if you try to work on it, ay lumabas na tama?
Kaya, oo. I just keep it aside. Then come back pag meron na akong the right mood comes, no? For that particular thing, no?
But,
Kung minsan yan, meron ako isang trabaho dito, it took me 2 years eh.
really
Oo, bago ko ma-solve yung lintok na problema na yan, no? Tapos yung panay ko, pa-adlib-adlib ako eh. Wala akong particular design na, Kanya ang design ko, sabi nga ni, sinong critic yun eh, sa uncanny design daw na hindi maintindihan ko saan ang gagaling yung design ko eh.
do you get influenced by, no, I mean like, you have people coming here, no? Or
Yeah.
friends, critics, and all.
Mm.
And they give comments. How do you find their comments? I mean, do you listen to them?
Yeah.
Like, pay attention to
Oh,
those?
if I can do it, no?
Mm-mm.
Like for example, recently lang, meron akong particular painting which I like very much, no? I went to Nanding, nung buhay pa siya, let him comment on it, no? Okay naman daw, no? But unlike before, no, when I was starting, I used to do, let's say, barong-barong, no? Ang barong-barong ko, nasa gitna lamang. Lahat yan, puti na. So,
Yung background.
background puti na lahat. Palagay mo ito, no? Ang barong-barong ko, nandito lamang. Ito puti lahat to, which are paper, no? Ang sabi ni Manansala, kailangan mayroong connection dyan. Manansala, hindi ko magawa eh. Since I can't do it, I didn't pursue. I mean, kung saan ba huwag mong pupwersahin, no? Hindi ko kaya eh.
Bakit
I just went on sige-sige lang. No? Hanggang ngayon, okay na.
Kumukonect na rin
Kumukonect na, like now.
sa edge ng canvas?
Oo, edge na. Ang ko, it's a low, as far as I'm concerned, it's a low process na nangyari sa akin eh. I didn't study, no? Kanya, it took me a long time eh. Siguro probably it will take, what it took me 20 years, no? Probably if I studied, probably it took me 5 years, no?
So you consider it a disadvantage not having gone to school, art school?
Siguro. My God, my 20 years, kung nag-aral siguro ako, siguro 5 years lang, no?
Oh, I see. No, but because some artists would say na you don't need an art school. Nasa sa'yo na tiyaga yun.
Pero hindi, just like a diamond, my God, kailangan mo shape pa rin para gumanda, di ba?
Sa bagay.
Ako naman nangyari siguro, ang training ko is talking to people, let's say, mga katulad ng lagat bunto nila, which is very fortunate, no? At that time, nandun sila Ocampo, na nakikinig ako, nakakapag-aral na, I mean, it's a lesson itself. No?
But you would always encourage young people to go into art school?
Of course, yeah. All my children went to school. Phyllis Steve, Chisoled, they all went to UP School of Fine Arts.
But kayo, anong course ang kinuha ninyo? Anong training niyo?
Fine Arts din, pero I was telling you, sa UP, I didn't even finish my 1 semester. No?
Nagtrabaho ka
Nagtrabaho na ako sa Chronicle. Parang I find it more exciting siguro yung sa periodiko. Nangyari, at that time, ang gusto ko naman is cartooning eh. Not really fine arts per se. It's cartooning, nandun ako.
When you were doing this cartooning, your first attempts at serious painting were not taken seriously.
Wala naman ang magagawa ko, which is true.
Sige.
But up to now, they still, people pag cartoon na, for some people, I'm still a cartoonist, no?
Yeah. Did you try to fight this misimpression?
Wala naman. I just keep on doing my things, no? I just keep on exhibiting.
Mm. But yung painting nyo is no relation to the cartoon.
Wala na ngayon, wala na. But yung mga early works meron. Kanya it's a transition matagal Sid
Have you
Kung sabi ko sa'yo, kung nag-aaral siguro ako, wala na yung 10 years na yan, no?
Mm-mm. I see.
Nandun na siguro ako. It could be a disadvantage and an advantage at the same time.
You know Dong Kingman?
Yeah, daming yan, mag-isa pa rin mga idolo ko ng araw yan.
Oo. Kasi parang meron kayong similarity ng lightness of
Yeah, yung mga unang yon nandun ako noon kay Don Kingman.
I see.
Yun, nawala na rin yun.
I saw a very old magazine of your it featured your sketches of Tokyo.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Oo.
Yung this thing of doing sketches, talagang yan ang strength ninyo paggawa ng.
Yeah, siguro.
Now, do you still do a lot of sketching?
Yes.
By sketching meaning to say, parang you just get parang photographic record of a place lang.
Yeah. Oo.
In
And at the same time, it exercises my hand.
Oo, I see. Which have you done? Do you do that in Manila? Have you done that in some places,
Yeah,
like in
oo.
the province or what?
Yeah.
I see.
Probinsya, Manila, Palawan, dito kami nila Sanso, dito sa may fishing village, dito sa
Sa San Dionisio?
San Dionisio.
Ah.
Kami nauna dyan sa San Dionisio
I see. How would you compare yourself with, for instance, people like Sanso as far as yung actual drawing ability is concerned?
Pareho lang siguro.
Ha?
Pareho lang.
Pero yung difference na style, no?
Yeah, iba. Kay Sanso, nakita mong I mean, I'm happy right now. Even without signature,
Ah.
people recognizes my work, no?
Oo.
Which is quite hard to say so, no?
Mm-mm. Do you like other people to copy your style?
Why not? Oh, it's an achievement. Parang yun ika nga, ibig mo na yan, kinukokya na yun, no?
You flatter kayo?
Naka-platter, oh.
I see. But there are artists who have attempted to parang copy your style.
There are some, no? I saw once Mabini, yung babae. But as I was telling you, hindi lang makopya itong ganito Hindi lang makopya Dahil sa Coco, hindi ka na makopya yan Marami ng patong-patong yan.
For
I
you,
do the correction right on the canvas itself.
so they had labo-labo in effect ng
Labo-labo.
like you use the word ad-lib all the time, no?
Yeah, ad-lib.
Oh, ayan, that is for you, that is the most convenient way of painting.
Unlike mga konsyerto, talaga meron from 1 to 2 yan, 3, etc. Hindi ito I go back to 1, mamaya I go back to 50, mamaya back to 45, sige-siging ganyan
I see.
Ang katulad nila nandi, kapag umpisa sa umpisa yan, parang konsyerto yan tapos ha?
I see.
Ako hindi, pwede sa gitna, punta ko sa baba, punta sa taas.
Kung,
Para siguro jazz yan, Yung ad-lib, no?